Guys, that airplane's making popping noises. Dude, I just witnessed a plane crashing. It's also super low. It's literally making... Nah, it's going down. Is that normal for a plane to go? No, it's diving down. Why is it doing that? No, it's tilting. Oh my god, it's tilting. It's not turning, it's what the? It probably just has mechanical issues, not that it would make the plane crash, but... You know, you're dead. What? Yeah. Ow! I mean, I have a Piper. It's not the same type of Piper, but basically. I'm so sorry. Yo, it's Korean Air. Never see that before. Or no, I had, but not often. And stupid birds. After me thinking it disappeared, it's back. I don't think you guys can see it. It's making the slightest, transparent chemical trail. Alaska Airlines. Dang. Need to get binoculars so I could see them up close, you know. Southwest. Yummy. Can I eat you? You eat. I eat.